Hi, my name is CT and you are watching another tips and tricks with Apps, Events and Acer. In today's video I'm going to show you some basic video editing that is available to you, your students or anyone with access to YouTube. So let's dive in.
And here we are on my Chromebook. Now I have this video from Pixabay which I would like to use, but it's too long. So let's go ahead and go to YouTube. Now we're going to go to youtube.com. Navigate to the top right corner where you can see your little icon. It's a circle shaped icon. So let's go ahead and click on that icon and select YouTube Studio Beta. Now once in our YouTube Studio Beta, we can go to the menu where it says videos and you will see all your previously uploaded videos. Now you can see I have a couple there, but I want to add a new one. So let's go ahead and click on create or upload and upload a video. Now the video we're going to upload is this video that I found on Pixabay, so let's go ahead and open up that file. And we're going to use the very simple UI of YouTube and drag and drop our video onto this menu. Now as this video is uploading, you will see I can change my title, I can add a description, but what I would like you to do is while you're uploading, have a think about whether you want your video to be a public video, unlisted, or private video. Now I'm going to set my video to unlisted because I want to add some changes to this. Now once everything is done uploading and processing, we can click on done. Now you have two options. You can add more videos or you can return to your YouTube Studio Beta, which is what we are going to do. So go ahead and click on return to YouTube. And we can now find our newly uploaded video in our list of videos. However, on the left hand side there is no editor. We have to click on our video title first, so let's go ahead and do that. And now you will see an editor on the left hand side. So let's go ahead and dive into our video editor. Here we will see a big blue trim button, so we can simply click on play or spacebar to preview our video, or we can click on trim, and here we can now trim our video. So I'm going to make it slightly shorter. There we go. And before I click OK, I'm going to preview this. So it's going to start playing the video back to me. And it will stop at the end trim. Now this way I can make sure that my trim is exactly the trim I need for my video. I'm trying to cut out the writing, and as you can see I'll have to edit my trim a little bit more. So let's go ahead and click on edit trim. Let's move that playhead to the side and let's edit our trim. Let's trim a little bit more. There we go. And again we can preview this trim. So we're going to have a look. Perfect. Now I can discard all changes or I can choose to save these. Now we can go ahead and click on save and it's going to save your changes to the existing video. So let's go ahead and click on save again. This video is now being processed, and while you're waiting for the processing of this video, you can go ahead and dive into your details, add a new title to your video. So let's go ahead and add that title. We're going to add a description as well. A man typing on a keyboard. We can also dive into our advanced menu. Now here you can set extra options. So you can set a category, you can change the license, and you can even change your caption certification. Now we are going to leave everything as it is, and once we're done we can click on save. We're going to save that and go back into our editor, and let's have a look at our newly trimmed file. You can see this file is now 7 seconds long, and we can also split. Now splitting is great for when you have scenes you no longer want to keep. This is going to create that jump cut effect that you sometimes see with vloggers. So let's move our playhead and preview what this jump cut will look like. And there we go. So trimming and splitting, two very, very useful and easy to execute options within the YouTube editor. Now we're going to discard these changes for now. There we go. And as you see at the bottom, you can also add end screens. Now these are only available for videos that are at least 25 seconds long. So I would highly recommend that you make sure your video is long enough in order for you to use this. And that is all there is to the new YouTube editor. It is built into YouTube, it's built into the new YouTube Studio Beta, and I would highly recommend that you go and explore these functionalities. Now I'm sure more will come soon, but for now we have trimming and splitting video files.
And there you have it, basic video editing available to anyone. Let me know in the comment section below what you are going to use this for, and I hope that you will watch our next video as well. This was another tips and tricks with Apps, Events and Acer, and thank you for watching.